Good afternoon everyone, this is the Forex market update for the day. USD INR is currently trading at 85.4125 versus the open at 85.53. Today's high being 85.53 and the low being 85.36. The Indian rupee is emerging as the Asia's worst performer this quarter and may continue to lag this because of, as we can see, that Reserve Bank of India had dollar repayments of about $73 billion as indicated by its net short position of a net short forwards position. This is the daily range for the day with USD INR, Euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR all are currently within the range. This is the forward rate and premium of USD INR. As you can see, the short term premium and the mid term premiums are still below 2%, while the long term 12-month premium. That's all for this quick update. Follow us for more such updates.